everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Shantan's time. So today we are at one of the very famous restaurants, Shalik, Coxbazaar. It's a famous restaurant. Everyone loves the food from here. So we came out today. It was like a sunny day. So we were walking on the beach and then came out at the Shalik restaurant to enjoy. So stay with us. Are ready to go. We enjoyed a lot at the beach. You can see Yahan with his uncle having a lot of fun. So we really had great time at the beach. It was really sunny. It was the weather was good. So yeah, we had lots of fun at the beach.
Bye bye, bye bye, bye bye, bye bye, bye bye. Hi.
Jangan boy pace kan? Boy pace ya?
Bye bye, bye bye, bye bye, bye bye, bye bye, bye bye.
Walking at the beach, we came at Shalik restaurant. I have already told you that it is a good restaurant at Cox's Bazar. Like if you come with your family, you will not be disappointed. We really like to enjoy our time with Yahan. All the family members at our home really likes to enjoy time with Yahan. So we like to go outside, and mashallah, he loves going out. So please do pray for him. Mashallah, you can see Yahan is playing, having fun at the restaurant. Yeah, he really loves to go out. So bye bye from us. See you next time.